Hi everyone, warm greetings. So today I'm going to talk about innovation. Recently, I got asked this question on LinkedIn as to what is innovation, and that certainly got me thinking because it is so broad, right? So, and at least I would try to attempt to classify product innovation today in this video, and this would be a short video, just trying to talk about the different types of innovation. And if I miss on any of those innovation types that from a major innovation type standpoint, please add it on the comments so we can I can also learn from you, right? So that would be wonderful. So in terms of the types of innovation. Before I actually go into the types of innovation, I would like to maybe like qualify it with one sentence, which is goal of any innovation is really to support the organization and why it exists, which is really to create and consume value. Right. So from that perspective, all types of innovation should be meeting this basic fundamental need of helping the organization create and consume value. So from that standpoint, if you think about it, there can be five types of innovation, at least in my mind. One would be the market creating or capturing type of innovation. This is usually done through capturing latent needs and creating disproportionately high value, not values, from the market. Usually trying to meet some of the customer needs and trying to solve it in a way that no one has solved it before. And usually, the value that is generated is usually many fold, and it's massive usually. So that is the market creating or capturing type of innovation. The second one would be network innovation, or DSIR, or demand side increasing returns. And this is achieved through creating high switching cost, increasing your size of the install base, creating an ability to simulate complementary products within your ecosystem. All these types of innovation I call as network innovation. The third type of innovation would be the value chain configuration and reconfiguration innovation. And some of the usability engineering activities like task analysis are really types of value chain innovations. And this is basically looking at your value chain and trying to see how to optimize it and how to uh, c- capture value from which is usually lost in various types of activities, right? Which is used to source or source materials, or any of those things. It can be game for value chain configuration types of innovation. Next one would be the business model innovation, and it is applicable in the type of business model, whatever that it might be, like maybe customer intimacy, product leadership, operational excellence, marketplace, whatever that may be, and whether it is in the logic, whether it's in the revenue model, whether it's in the profit model, also. So you can have innovations in any of these facets, and all of these I would call as business model innovation. And then comes the last one, which is the innovation that is usually tied to creating more value. uh, the sum of the product is more than the parts of it, rather, which is by creating the purpose, uh, which is more than the product, and creating shared values, shared goals, and a shared common language as it applies to the customers, employees, or shareholders, and you name it, right? So it can be appealing to any cross section of these people that are tied to the product's success. And what really is the story of the product that is backed by facts. One example I would like to mention, which I would like to thank one of my courses at Stanford for, uh, which is the course that basically taught about the Nike's campaign in China, which was one of the things that was part of the course, right? So it was very interesting to learn about how they created a higher sense of purpose in terms of for a competition. It is not just about winning; it is about competing, right? So that thought process. Uh, being able to instill that, and all of a sudden it is the product is more than just the product. It has got a higher purpose tied to it. So that type of innovation would be like on in terms of purpose, values, all those types of innovation. And usually the characteristic of this is like it has got a goal, it has got a way to connect with the audience and engage with them. It can be like any types of persona that are part of it. And there would always be an action that is tied to it that the product is calling you to do, right? So those types, that will be the last type of innovation, which is like the fifth one, the being more than the product. So in summary, five types of innovation: market creating and capturing innovation, network innovation, value chain configuration innovation, business model innovation, and the purpose driven innovations, which are like being more than the product. So hopefully you found some value from it, and if you did, please uh, comment below. And also, if I missed out on any of the key innovation types, I would love to hear from you as well. So looking forward to hearing from you. Until I see you next time with another video, take care.